then I really like Arabic language because it has the best grammar, the most complex linguistic system, and also it is one of the oldest languages in the world, and it has so many synonyms, a lot of proverbs, idioms in Arabic language, and also the language has developed for many years, a lot, in thousands of years. And when I learn Arabic language, I get more knowledge from Arabic language, and also from learning the Quran. Whenever I listen to recitation of the Quran, sometimes I can read, understand the meaning, and then I can easily look it up on my phone or software in Arabic writing without searching. And sometimes when I hear Arabic Quran or Hadith, and then I can look it up on Google or on my software application, and it is easier for me to get more references or bibliography. And the second language that I really want to learn is Spanish, because Spanish is I think quite easy. The pronunciation is simpler than English, and more straightforward, easier than English. It's only a few words, a few letters has different pronunciation. Instead of in bahasa Indonesia or English. And Spanish has a lot of population in the world, Spanish speakers in Latin America, mostly in Latin America and Central America. And I think there is only one country in Africa speaks Spanish. I forgot the country name. And only one country in Europe, Spain. Spain is the only country that speaks Spanish in Europe. Its neighbor Portugal speaks Portuguese, and its neighbor also France speaks French. And Spanish, I think, has around 900 million speakers. I think 900 million speakers. And Spanish has also many accents like English. The major accent is Spanish in Mexico and Spanish in Spain. I think the majority of speakers are from Latin America, South America, and Mexico, Argentina, Bolivia, Venezuela, and Chile, of course, Bolivia, Peru, Paraguay, Uruguay, and Ecuador, and many others. And the reason that I like speak Spanish, it has a lot of words, and because I have also learned English quite well, I can get more references on the internet, because many references to learn many other languages are in English.
Yeah.
So it's easier for you to, if you understand English first, it's easier for you to understand more languages. And other languages that I also want to learn casually is like Esperanto. I learned from Duolingo, and also French, German, and a little bit Italian, but just casually, just in passing. I haven't learned them so seriously. Just learn them casually, in passing. And I think it's really important for us to, in conclusion, it's really important for us to learn other languages. Like in Prophet Muhammad's time, Arabic is spoken in Arabia, but after the Islam spread around Arabia, many other speakers come into Arab, Mecca and Medina, and other speakers like newcomer to Islam, they speak Persian. Some of them speak other languages, maybe European languages. So at the time, it is advisable for companions of the Prophet to learn Persian language. Although they are not Persian, they can learn from the newcomer to Islam, because the newcomer will have to teach about Persian language if they haven't. Maybe some of them have come into Islam and some of them haven't come into Islam, but they want to volunteer to teach about Persian language at the time. So, although nowadays Chinese has more population and more speakers than English, I think in the future it is advisable for us to learn Spanish to Chinese, because if we can learn Chinese, we can use their social media, Weibo or QQ and many other websites from China. The more we can learn, the more we can understand Chinese, the more we can get knowledge from Chinese people. But because we have not got enough knowledge for Chinese, that's why we are reluctant to open Chinese websites. I think for youngsters, young generation, it's important to learn at least one other language, whatever you like, English or Arabic, because mostly in Indonesia, Arabic or English.
Yeah, mostly.
Mostly because we are Muslim, majority Muslim. I think that's all. Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Right, any question?
Did you learn?
Alright, I got a question for you, Mr. Fahmi Hanifa. Our best teacher around the world. Now let's talk about English here in a new copy every Sunday at 1500 p.m. Alright, just now I heard you can speak Arabic language, right? Do you mind you have to translate this in English from Arabic to English? Man kharaja fit talabil ilmi fahuwa fi sabilillah hatta yarnya. What does that mean exactly? Just now I heard you mastering about Arabic, that's why I'm asking about that. This is hadith.
Yeah, that's a good question, right? Very good question. Whoever go out in search of knowledge, Islamic knowledge, or knowledge in general, they are in the path of Allah.
MashaAllah. Alright, any question? Alright, no more question, right? Alright.
Until they go home.
I got a second question for you, Mr. Fahmi Hanifa. Since when you mastering English idiom?
Since
2007? 2009. So what is your media? How do you learn that? Memorize that, or hit a book, or open a website, or sort of videos like YouTube channel, or what? How is mastering that?
The way I first learned about English idioms from computer, I searched on thesaurus in computer. Then after that, I also searched for reference. I look up more reference on internet, like in Google. I search more websites for idioms, and I also go to library to borrow idiom books. And also I learn from YouTube videos. Yeah, I think that's mostly I learn from thesaurus.
Alright, the third question. Any question? ¿Cuántos idiomas tú hablas ahora? ¿Inglés? ¿Árabe? ¿Español? Tres
idiomas.
idiomas ahora tú hablas, aprender.
Tres idiomas.
Muchas gracias, amigo. Ahora poco a poco he aprendido español porque para mí es fácil, pero inglés difícil.
De nada, amigo.
Gracias. Any question?
¿Qué le puede ser?
No question. Or pick somebody else.